Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very powerful and effective lifting serum at home, all with the natural ingredients without any chemical in it. And since all of it is just oil, it's just gonna stay for you for a long time and you don't have to worry about the expiry date of your product. To make this serum, I have used two of essential oils, which they are very powerful oils in terms of lifting and anti-wrinkle. So one of the oils that I've used in this is Geranium Essential Oil, which happens to be one of the most powerful lifting oils in the nature. And also I have used Frankincense Oil, which is very famous to be an effective anti-wrinkle for the human skin. I have used a blend of these oils with the right carrier oils and other things in my serum, which I'm going to show you. And I've been using this serum for a few weeks now, and I have to tell you, it is simply amazing. I'm enjoying the effect, and it's very gentle on the skin. So you can use this serum in your daily skincare routine to make sure you're using something absolutely beautiful and natural to give a good lifting effect to your face. And you can after use any of your favorite cream over it. You can use this serum in the morning or in the night or both. It's just all up to you, and enjoy the benefits. Links of all the essential oils and carrier oils that I'm using in this serum from the different countries is at the description box of this video. I have used all the natural and organic and best quality of oils and essential oils to make this serum, and the shopping link of all of these oils from the different countries are listed at the description box of this video, so you can buy the same natural and powerful products that I've listed and use it in your own serum and get the most of it. So let's go ahead and make this beautiful serum.